Hello everyone. Today we're talking a bit more about families and how to describe our family's members. Now, when you have a number of siblings, you often list them in order of birth. You can use the superlative adjective oldest to describe the firstborn child and the youngest to describe the last-born child. The youngest in your families can be called your baby sister or your baby brother, your little brother or your little sister.
Older and younger are comparative adjectives. When you are making comparisons, you usually use the word than. For example, I'm more handsome than Kangmin.
That's not true.
Definitely true.
Come on.
We often use comparative and superlative to talk about our family member and compare them to others. For example,
My brothers are more handsome than me. That's the sad story. Grandpa thinks he is the most intelligent. Stepbrother is the shortest in the family, and Uncle James is the most patient of all my uncles.
make sure you use the right plural form when you are talking about one more person. For example,
Brother become brothers, sister become sister, and uncle become uncles.
if a word ends in y, you add ies. For example, baby become babies. If you want to provide more information about your family member, you could talk about where they grew up, their schooling, career, relationships, or hobbies. You could also mention how they are related to you.
Now, when we are talking about lives of our family's members, we often use prepositions.
In, on, and at a preposition of time and place, you could use them to talk about place. Like, she was born in Darwin, she grew up on the poverty, and she studied at Australian National University. And you could use them to talk about time. For example, we'll see a long time, we'll meet on Sunday, and they went to Egypt in March.
Here is an easy way to remember when to use each prepositions. You can use in for something general and at for something very specific.
Now, you might also want to talk about your family or other family in a more general way. For example, is your family big or small? Are you close to your extended family or immediate family? Is there any such thing as a normal family? What do you think, Liang?
There's immediately no such thing as normal families. Families are in all shapes and sizes, but they are always interesting to talk about.
That's it from us today.
See you later.